4-day visit for the Vance family, the second family of the United States of America, and clearly it has a packed itinerary. Look at that. This morning, of course, a security cordon. He's, after all, the Vice President of the United States of America, and his family, having arrived in Jaipur, and as Rajasthan would like to say, Khamma Gani to the family arriving, strict security that has been put forth. That's the visual. They've been staying at the luxurious Rambagh Palace, where they've left now full cavalcade for the Vice President, J.D. Vance, his wife Usha Shilukuri Vance, and the three little adorable children. Of course, remember, this family is not just a guest to India. They are as much part of the Indian heritage. Usha Shilukuri with Indian origins, and also ensuring that the kids were decked up in the Indian attire. So waiting to see if Jaipur also is their chosen destination for some little Indian attires for the three little children. Amit Bhardwaj joins me. Amit, good morning. I can see a full cavalcade leaving from the Rambagh Palace. I can only imagine right now how Jaipur would be looking. But this is, I find interesting, is a chosen destination for them, possibly because it is one of the biggest international tourist destinations across the world.
Right, Pooja. You know, the carcade of US Vice President J.D. Vance has left the Rambagh Palace, and he would be heading to this spot where I'm standing right now, the Amer Fort. Now, if you look at the landscape that's on the way, when J.D. Vance carcade would be coming to the Amer Fort, that itself is a very special one as far as Jaipur is concerned, and the cultural heritage that Jaipur offers. So it's the entire valley area through which you will have to come, and on the way you see several of the monuments that Jaipur has, the historical monuments that Jaipur has, including a couple of forts, Jal Mahal, and eventually the Amer Fort, which essentially is the spirit of Rajasthan's cultural heritage as well, the history that we have. And the second family of the United States would be reaching here in any time from now, because the entire area has been cordoned off. What I've seen on the way is that complete security sanitization. Every patch from Rambagh to Amer Fort has been completely cordoned off. Heavy security has been deployed in the area, but rest assured, the cultural heritage and the ethos that India's culture has will be at display while the second family of the United States would be reaching here. Vice President of United States J.D. Vance will be here any time from now, and he will have a very detailed visit of the Amer Fort, after which we are given to understand that he could head back to Rambagh Palace, and from there around 2 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. he could be leaving for the RIC Jaipur, where J.D. Vance is expected to address the gathering at 3 p.m. and that gathering will continue for nearly 45 minutes. So from 3 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. You will have the gathering out here, and the security has been again alerted at the Amer Fort, which means that any time from now we might see the...
Amit, tell me this. I'm curious to mention here, it's after all the state of Rajasthan. Jaipur city, as beautiful as it is, but the temperature could be soaring. How is it for the American family? How are you looking at that? Would there be some shade and shelter as they go around visiting the forts?
Well, Pooja, you know, so far the weather is pleasant. When I say pleasant, it is in comparative to what you have in Rajasthan, in Jaipur at this point in time in the year. So the day is it's quite early in the day, hence the visit to the Amer Fort has been kept around 9 a.m. in the morning itself, so that it's more comfortable for the second family of the United States to have a visit of the Amer Fort, to experience what India has to offer, what Rajasthan has to offer, the culture and history that these sites have. And after that, what we are given to understand that the family is expected to head back to the Rambagh Palace to have their lunch, and eventually Mr. J.D. Vance will be heading to the RIC Jaipur for that important address, which will continue for nearly 45 minutes. And later in the evening, there's another aspect that has been planned with a very fine detail, is the cultural program which is expected to happen in the evening today, where what we are given to understand that the Chief Minister of the state could be also participating participating in that particular program, meeting the Vice President of US. But any time from now, Pooja, we will see those security alert happening. These
Stay
personnel
on with me,
deployed
Amit. Stay on
out
with
here.
me. And the chosen fort, while of course Rajasthan has no dirt of it, is the Amer fort that the Vance family has chosen. Also because it's the grandeur that comes in with the Amer fort. If you visited Jaipur, if you visited Rajasthan, built in 1592, the Vance family will be witnessing that. So let's go directly to the fort, the beautiful fort in the background for my colleague Devankur Vadhavan. Devankur, good morning. That's going to be a high-profile visit where you are standing. What is the security like? Why do you think possibly the Amer fort has been chosen? Take us through the itinerary details.
Well, good morning, Pooja, and good morning to all viewers of India Today TV. I can tell you that he has a jam-packed itinerary and he is scheduled to arrive at this majestic, historic Amer fort. You are aware of the grandeur and the royalty that Rajasthan brings to the fore, and Amer fort is clearly the best representative perhaps of that, an example of the majesty, the royalty, the history, the grandeur that comes with the palaces and the forts of this Mughal era architecture, the Rajputana architecture which existed in the pre-1700 era, in the era when Jaipur had not settled down, when Amer was considered as the capital of the Kushwaha Empire. I can tell you this entire structure, the majesty of it is something which your eyes can behold for as long as you want to. And the most interesting part, Pooja, is that J.D. Vance, the American Vice President, his wife Usha Vance, the three children will be moving around. This is perhaps the most interesting part, Pooja. He will be moving around across this fort in an open gypsy. Now imagine moving through the lanes and the by-lanes of this fort, and I can tell you the climb is extremely treacherous. The elephants that take the tourists to this fort, it takes about half an hour, but in an open gypsy, it will not be that ardent.
Okay.
It will not be that hard on the American Vice President. He will be moving around in this fort. This fort clearly, represents how in the 1592 period when Akbar was there, one of his 9 jewels, Raja Man Singh, had got this fort built. The Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Diya Kumari, the Rajasthan Chief Minister, will be meeting him, and he's also scheduled to meet the Rajasthan Governor later in the day,
Okay.
Pooja. But the trip clearly marks the relationship between the American political one of the main components of
Yes.
the Trump administration, J.D. Vance, who has been responsible for several, initiatives from the Trump administration. And this trip
True,
clearly
and
shows
Prime Minister
how
Modi,
the bonhomie
yes,
between the Indian
has
people
met
and
the Vance family earlier as well. Absolutely correct there, Dave, that he took that opportunity to meet them in France and then again inviting them here, an informal interaction at home as much as a high-profile meeting. Remember, these are, of course, some of the informal moments.